I had one of our favorite subscribers request us to make a video about how to make Train Maya purchases on the train platform in Cancun. Due to her concerns about flight schedules being on time and cancellations or change rules with previously purchased Train Maya tickets online or through the app. Having never had to deal with the experience ourselves, we decided to walk through the process in real time when we recently experienced just that. Our flight into Cancun was delayed 45 minutes, which left us with a tight connection to be able to retrieve our checked luggage, clear Mexican immigration and customs, purchase shuttle tickets to the Train Maya station, catch the shuttle, and then purchase Train Maya tickets at the Train Maya station to catch the train. So here we go.
Maya, platform 145. Sorry, what? Tickets. Outside after me.
Muchas gracias.
Hola.
45 minutes, he said? Yeah. Hey, Meta, take a video. Okay, maybe don't count on this because on this day, there was nobody at the booth.